How to convert Excel file with multiple sheets to a set of CSV files? I have an Excel file with 20 sheets on it. Is there a way to quickly convert the file into 20 CSV files, one for each sheet? I can do it manually, of course, but I'll have to be processing these files a lot, so it would be great to have some kind of command line utility, or even Excel command line switches.
The method by Beethoven is definitely a more polished solution. Here is a lightweight macro that would export all the sheets from one workbook. Goes in the active workbooks folder. All names are workbook name _ sheet name.csv. Edit. For the comment. The original macro simply uses the save as function, which is sort of like closing the original. If you want to do this while leaving the original open, you need to copy to a new workbook, save, close the new workbook.
Instead of batch script, you can use the XLS to CSV converter, which would give you better user interface. Direct link this URL. Unzip the to file. Double click on the to file. Locate the folder where you have your XLS file. Select the CSV naming schema and click Start Conversion, which will convert all XLS files within the folder to CSV files. If your folder has 3 XLS files with 3 sheets, then it would create 9 CSV files for the each sheets, and you can identify the CSV file with CSV naming schema. Hope this helps.
Here is a Python script to get sheets.py. Mirror. You should install pandas and XLRD before you use it. Run this. How does it works? Convert to several XLSX. Convert to several CSV.
A macro from CSV to save the tabs in your Documents folder.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.